Alright guys, today I'm going to show you one of my TRB trade on Binance Futures here. As you can see, it's up by over 440% profit, which is insane, But I put very little margin there. You can see only $1. If I put $100, now it's already $500. Unfortunately, I put a little money, but this kind of thing happens every time. Now, why do I open short position there? As you can see, my entry price was $32, okay, 32.37. If you look at the trading view here, it's obviously a huge rejection by the seller, okay? The seller tried to push down the price, and you can also see from the stochastic RSI is at the overbought area, and then we have this kind of a confirmation red candle. It just shows us that the price is going to go down very strongly. I actually entered right around here with this candle. This is like a standard hammer, so it indicates price reversal usually, and also we are in the overbought area, so I expect price to go down. I probably would set my stop loss up here, and you can see it actually bring us the profit. I could wait a little bit longer, but I would just close position here live in front of you, and we actually make $5, as you can see right there. And if I show you my trade history, there we go, we make $5. And tomorrow I'm going to show you settings for AntBot. As you can see, this I don't start AntBot yet here because I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting for Bitcoin. Let me show you BTC. I'm still waiting for this to go up here. Alright, and then I will open a short positions. As you know that in August there is this Mt. Gox. Okay, there is this Mt. Gox Bitcoin release, which is on 18th of July, and we might see, guys, okay, we might see people selling off their Bitcoin in August. Okay, we might see this, and we'll just see and wait. Okay, I'm just waiting for the price to go overbought here. The daily chart though is overbought. Okay, if you see the daily chart is overbought, I could start the bot, but I'm still waiting for some confirmation. I'm going to show you some of the settings that I'm going to use for my AntBot.